Welcome to Mapalytics, where we're revolutionizing construction and real estate through our digital twin ecosystem. We're building a 3D and AI native universe to help create the most beautiful cities and developments ever imagined. With our award-winning technology, we've already digitized over 1.3 billion square meters of land. Let's start with how we help you plan your next project with drone mapping and AI-assisted master planning. Imagine surveying 1,500 acres in a single day with centimeter-level accuracy. Mapalytics is revolutionizing topographic surveys. Our state-of-the-art drones capture every detail, providing unparalleled insights into the terrain. High-resolution 3D models offer a comprehensive view of the landscape. Architects, engineers, and developers can visualize every contour, every slope, and every obstacle. This level of precision empowers informed decision-making. From site planning and grading to infrastructure development, accurate data saves time and reduces costs. Whether it's a sprawling urban development or a remote rural site, our drones can access any terrain, delivering the data you need. Our team of experts processes the data, generating detailed topographic maps and digital terrain models. With Mapalytics, the future of topographic surveying is here. Once your construction plan is finalized, seamlessly monitor your project's progress with our time travel progress monitoring portal. Step into the future of project monitoring. Our time travel VR portal lets you experience your projects remotely in real time. Review progress, make decisions, and collaborate seamlessly. The future of project management is here. Now let's explore how we help manage your project cities across their lifetime using digital twin platform. Mapalytics digital twin technology offers millimeter-precise 3D virtual replicas of your site, delivering real-time insights that optimize planning and execution. Whether you're tracking construction progress or managing large-scale urban development, our digital twin solutions provide unparalleled clarity and control. With Mapalytics, developers, architects, and planners can visualize, simulate, and refine projects with greater accuracy and efficiency, ensuring smarter, faster decisions. It's not just 3D data, but all your data layers such as property ownership, utility network details. All assets management is done using this powerful platform. We don't just build digital twins of new projects, we are just as focused in preserving the past as we are on mapping the future. At Mapalytics, we're at the forefront of cultural heritage preservation, utilizing cutting-edge technology to digitally preserve iconic sites. We've mapped over 25 million square yards and scanned more than 400 structures globally, including the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Macaulay Necropolis. Our immersive 3D preservation efforts ensure centimeter-scale accuracy, offering virtual tours and interactive storytelling for global audiences. These digital tools are revolutionizing education, research, and documentation, helping preserve cultural treasures for future generations. Whether it's 2nd century Gandhara artifacts or historic landmarks like the Taxila and Lahore museums, Mapalytics bridges history with innovation. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, architecture has always shaped our world. Architecture visualization. At Mapalytics, we bring architectural dreams to life. Our advanced visualization techniques capture every detail, from intricate textures to the play of light and shadow. Immerse yourself in the future with our stunning animations. Empower your clients with a tangible vision of their project. Your partner in architectural visualization.